Did you know? Pumpkin seeds have a long history of nutritional use dating back to the Oaxaca highlands of Mexico over 7,500 years ago. Modern science confirms that pumpkin seeds have an impressive nutrient profile that benefits many aspects of your health. They're a rich source of protein, unsaturated fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that reduce risk factors of chronic diseases, including cancer. You can buy pumpkin seeds raw, sprouted, or roasted at most grocery stores and specially health food retailers. When sold in their green shells, they're also sometimes called pepitas. Welcome back to True Health for Life, where we're all about exploring the incredible world of nutrition and its impacts in our body. Today, we've got something truly fascinating to delve into: the benefits of eating pumpkin seeds every day. If you're a fan of these little green gems or just curious about their potential health perks, you're in the right place. Before we dive deep into the amazing health benefits of these tiny powerhouses, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss out on our exciting content. Let's get started. Number 1. Nutrient Powerhouse. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are a nutritional powerhouse. Just a small handful packs a punch with a variety of essential nutrients that can transform your health. Rich in nutrients. First and foremost, pumpkin seeds are a fantastic source of essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron. These minerals are vital for maintaining everything from bone health to immune function. Pumpkin seeds contains magnesium, which is important for bone formation. High magnesium intake has associations with higher bone density. Additionally, low blood levels of magnesium have links to an increased risk of osteoporosis in postmenopausal women. Healthy fats. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with heart-healthy, unsaturated fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids. These fats can help lower your risk of heart disease and even improve your mood. Per 1 ounce serving, about a quarter cup pumpkin seed provide more fat than protein or carbohydrates. That fat is mostly monosaturated and polyunsaturated fat. Both these types of fat have been shown to reduce bad cholesterol levels in the blood, which can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Protein powder. Are you looking to boost your protein intake? Well, you're in luck. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent plant-based protein source. Just a small serving can help you meet your daily protein requirements, making them a perfect addition to a vegetarian or vegan diet. Now that we know about the impressive nutritional profile of pumpkin seeds, let's move on to some of the incredible things they can do for your body when consumed regularly. Number 2. Health benefits. Get ready to be amazed because the list of health benefits associated with eating pumpkin seeds every day is nothing short of impressive. Improved heart health. One of the standout benefits is their potential to improve heart health. The healthy fats in pumpkin seeds can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing your risk of heart disease. Not only because of their magnesium, but for a variety of other reasons. Pumpkin seeds are heart healthy. The presence of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, as well as the antioxidants found in plant seeds, can aid both your heart and your liver. High cholesterol is a main contributing factor to cardiovascular disease. However, the fiber, sterols, and omega-3 fatty acids found in pumpkin seeds make a powerful combination to reduce the total amount of cholesterol in your blood. Enhanced sleep. Struggling with your sleep? Pumpkin seeds contains tryptophan, an amino acid that can help regulate sleep patterns and improve sleep quality. Say goodbye to restless nights. People have used tryptophan to treat chronic insomnia because the body converts it into serotonin, the feel-good or relaxing hormone, and melatonin, the sleep hormone. According to research, consuming 1 gram or more of tryptophan before bed can improve sleep quality. Mood booster. Feeling a bit down lately? Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, which plays a crucial role in regulating mood and reducing anxiety. They might be your new natural mood booster. Stronger immune system. With their zinc content, pumpkin seeds can strengthen your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illness more effectively. Pumpkin seeds can be eaten with or without their shells. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, 1 ounce of unsalted pumpkin seeds without the shell provides calories, fats, carbohydrates, fiber, protein, magnesium, zinc, and iron. Digestive health. Fiber is your digestive system's best friend. And guess what? Pumpkin seeds are packed with it. Regular consumption can promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. A 1 ounce serving of pumpkin seeds contains 1.8 grams of fiber. This is 6% of the recommended daily value. The benefits of a diet high fiber includes helping maintain a moderate weight because the individual feels full for longer after eating, improving digestion, and managing blood sugar level. So, if you've been underestimating the power of pumpkin seeds, it's time to give them the credit they deserve. But wait, there's more. Are you enjoying our video? Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to show your support. Remember to also hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on our next videos. Now that you're convinced about the incredible benefits of the daily pumpkin seed consumption, let's talk about how to incorporate them in your diet. Number 3. Snack time. Snacking on pumpkin seeds is no-brainer. Keep a small container handy for a quick, nutritious snack on the go. Smoothie boost. Blend them into your morning smoothie for an extra boost of protein and healthy fats. You won't even taste them, but your body will thank you. Salad topping. Sprinkle toasted pumpkin seeds on salads for a delightful crunch and added nutrition. They pair perfectly with leafy greens and vinaigrette. Baking adventures. Get creative in the kitchen by adding pumpkin seeds to your baked goods. Muffins, granola bars, and bread can all benefit from their nutty flavor and nutritional punch. Before we wrap up, it's important to remember that while pumpkin seeds offer fantastic health benefits, moderation is key. As with any food, balance is essential for a healthy diet. The incredible journey into the world of pumpkin seeds and what happens to your body when you eat them every day. From heart health to improved mood, these little green powerhouses are truly something special. If you've experienced any positive changes in your health by incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily routine, or if you have any questions, please share them in the comments below. Let's continue this conversation. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative and share it with your friends and family so they can reap the benefits of pumpkin seeds too. As always, thank you for joining us on this nutritious journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy!